Today we'll talk about how can you enable messages notifications on your Badoo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you click here on profile here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step. Then you click here on account preferences. Then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications. Then you come to next step here. Click here on messages. Then you come here to push notifications. Click here in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's the main notifications messages enabled with us now. Then here can you enable it for email too. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.